have here a cheese slicer. Comes with everything you need. Even comes with an extra little pad here if you lose one. Comes with extra little metal blades here for the cheese if you need a new one, and a little cleaning brush. So this appearance is really, really pretty. Has a really nice cutting board, so it's gonna be really easy to use. The non-slip feet are really nice as well, so it will stay in place. So this is super easy to use. Just push it over the line where you're gonna cut it, and depending on how far you'll go, depends on how thick your slice will be. You can see how well it cut it. So you can just keep cutting, super, super easy. You can even cut things like butter. So anything that you can put on this little cutting board, you can cut. Right here is a little phone holder, so you can just set it right here if you need to read a recipe, or you can put it like that. So when you're using it, you can have your phone there as you are cutting your cheese or butter or whatever else you may be cutting. Now I have here some butter to show you. It's just as easy to cut butter. You can see it's gonna make really nice slices of butter for any kind of party or for dinner or for baking if you need little pieces to cut into pastries or whatever else you're making. Once again, it's very easy to cut the butter, have the phone, and it's really fun, and it's gonna be super easy to clean when you're done using it. This brush is perfect for cleaning in between here, so you don't have to worry about food getting stuck inside. So this cheese slicer is super nice. It's the perfect size. You could leave it on your countertop or take it places with you. You cut the cheese and butter really nicely, and it's gonna be really easy to clean. So I'd recommend it to anyone that likes cheese and butter or cooks a lot, wants an easy way to cut it without any issues at all.